everybody, we are here. We are excited. It is our first time taking the boat out this season. The kids, well, Isaiah, he's done with school. Maddox is out of school, and we are going boating. What's up? Woo! Hey, we got the puppies, we got the Frenchies out, and they are ready to go. We got the Frenchies. We're gonna go put them in the paddleboard. Check it out. Well, we're in the car. We're ready to go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Whoop, whoop. Oh my God, we made it. We made it, we made it. Made it to paradise. We got a cool store there, look at that. Now, come here, baby. Guys, thanks for watching. This was a real quick trip to Shell Island. Table, tents, everything is washed up. So thanks for watching, and keep watching Sportsman Fever.